Hello children, today we are going to start GK of class 8, chapter number 1, Endangered Trees. What do you mean by endangered trees? Trees which are getting less in number. Okay, now trees are the oldest known living organism on the planet, which with lifespans usually measured in centuries. Now, who are the oldest living organisms on the planet? They are the trees, which are living on the planet from many years or the centuries, with a lifespan usually measured in centuries. And how their life is measured? In the centuries. Okay, but nowadays many species are in danger. We must protect him. Now there are many species which are in danger, so we have to protect those species. Identify these endangered trees and write their names. Now you have to identify these trees which are endangered, and you have to write the names of these trees. Here is the help box from which you can take the help. Okay, on page number 5. Here we start with the first one. Before starting with the first one, we are going to write today's date. So you all have to put today's date, okay? 14/10/2020. Starting with the first one. It is a very long tree with 60 feet height. Now this tree is very long and the height of this tree is 60 feet. It is on the verge of extension. Now where it is on the verge of extension. It is found only in Hawaiian Island. Now where it is found? In the Hawaiian Island. So children, what is the name of this tree? It is the Loulu. Okay, Loulu, Loulu. Second one, this tree with numerous crooked branches is found in St. Helena Island. Now this is the tree. It has numerous crooks. Okay, crooks branches, and where it is found? It is found in St. Helena Island. So what is the name of this tree? It is the St. Helena gumwood. So you have to write the spelling St. St. Helena Helena gumwood, Gumwood, wood, gumwood. Coming to the third one, this tree has beautiful red leaves. Now what this tree have? A beautiful red leaves. They become green before falling. Now when they are becoming green? When they are going to fall down. It is found in Mexico. At which place they are found? It is found in Mexico. Okay, so what is the name of this? It is Hinton's oak. Hinton Hinton's oak. O-A-K, oak. Fourth one, this massive tree can grow up to a height of 98 feet and expands up to 36 feet in diameter. Now, it is a massive tree and it can grow up to what height? 98 feet and expands. How much it can be expanded? 36 feet in diameter. It is only found in Africa. Now, where it is found? In Africa. So, the name of this tree is African baobab. Okay. African, African baobab. Okay, BAOBAB. Coming to the next, that is the fifth one. This is an endangered tree with prickly leaves and white and green flowers. Now this is the tree that is endangered, and it has the prickly leaves and white and green color flowers are on it. It is found in Morocco, Canary Island and Cape Verde Island. Now where it is found? In Morocco, Canary Island and Cape Verde Island. So what is the name of this tree? It is the dragon tree. Write the spelling DRAGON dragon, TREE tree. Last one. This tree is possibly the rarest in the world, with just one known plant growing in the wild. Now this tree is probably the less in number in the world, and it is the just one known plant that is being grown in the wild. It is endemic to the Three Kings Island of the coast of New Zealand. Now where it is endemic? At the Three Kings Island of the coast of New Zealand. So what is the name of this tree? It is the Pennantia, PENNANTIA, Pennantia bellizia, BAYLISIANA. Okay, BAYLISIANA, bellizia. Okay, so children, this was our chapter number 1, endangered trees. Write the date 14/10/2020. After that, you have to read these questions and you have to give the answers of all these 6. You have to do this work in your textbooks only. Okay children, thank you.